Hi guys, it's Leticia here with another video. So I decided to start using wax strips. So I found this one, Athena Club, and it comes with 20 wax strips, 6 post-wax wipes, and 1 skin calming serum. So I'm gonna do my facial wax. I've been using this wax strip kit for the face by Athena Club, and I've used it. I think this is gonna be my 3rd time using it. Yeah, I'm just gonna demo real quick how I use this. I pretty much just follow the instructions, but I'm gonna show you how I use it. So I have the strip right here. So I'm going to open it and I'm just gonna place it in the direction that the hair grows. Smooth strip with your hand to ensure it's sticking, so you just like smooth it out. Like I said, this is the 3rd time, but I always have to read the directions just to make sure I'm not missing something. So with my non-dominant hand, I'm going to just hold my skin, and then I pull the opposite direction quickly, because otherwise if it's not quickly enough, it says that the wax will just stay on your skin and it'll get sticky. And then the same strip can be used a few times. I like using both strips and just making use of them, but I use them both a few times. So let me wash my hands real quick and then I'll get started. I'm nervous. I always get nervous when I do this because it does hurt. All right, so I just separated the strips. I'm gonna use one side. Ow. Okay, that strip feels pretty used up. Let's use the other one. All right, I don't know if you can see, that time I did get a good bunch. Oh. There's stickiness all over. That is because some of the times I did it really slow, because I know it hurts when you do it really quick. Anyways, I already opened it, but you get some wax, some wipes to clean the residue, the stickiness off. I usually just open it up all up, but maybe I should leave it folded. And I just like, oh, that, I think I waited too long. That is really sticky. Yeah, that last time I did it was really slow because I wasn't sure if I should have done it on this side again. With this skin calming serum that it comes with as well. It has a little like ball at the tip that you just roll on the area, and it calms, I guess it calms it. Anyways, I'm a little surprised that it's not as red as last time I did it. Last time I did it was right after the shower, and I read in the instructions for some reason to not do it right after a shower, maybe because your skin is like too sensitive. But I do remember my, like around my lip got a lot more red than right now. I feel like it didn't get red at all this time. That's probably because I waited a little bit longer after my shower to do it this time. That's how I wax my upper lip. I think I'm getting quicker as I try it more, and I also am intrigued to try the bigger ones for like the underarm, but we'll see about that. We'll see if I get my hands on one of those. I used to pluck all the time, and it just eventually had gotten just, it's very time consuming. It's like you're plucking one at a time, and here you just like pull and you like do them all at once. I think I am liking this face strip wax my lip. That is the way that I wax with the Athena Club wax strip. So the reason that I have continued using these wax strips, and I probably would purchase this again when I run out, is because now that I've gotten the hang of it, it's like so quick and easy. I've been trying it for a while now, and like the more I use it, the less painful it is, because I don't know, like my skin is just like getting used to it. Definitely give these a try if you are also just tired of plucking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like if you liked. Leave a comment below and let me know what method you use for your facial hair removal. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It will really help me out a lot. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.